Hello kiddos, I'm here with Ashley. It's around 7 a.m. We're currently on a train to New York City. We're taking a pretty spontaneous trip because I just got offered to go to a private screening of a new Disney Plus show that's not out yet. So I'm super pumped. Ashley's coming as my +1. We just booked these tickets last night at like 1 in the morning. It's fine, but we're super excited for today. So see you later. We've arrived in New York. Penn Station, baby. We're now getting a lift to ABC because that's where the showing's happening, and we might get some food before. We're pretty much just chilling.
Luckily, like not too cold. It's like 50 degrees, so I'm not like freezing.
It's nice.
Fine. And we get.
I think the lift is here. We're gonna go get our lift now, so we'll see ya. Hello. We're now at Le Pain Quotidien. Amazing pronunciation. We're just getting some beverages before we head to the screening. I got a green smoothie and she got a chai latte with oat milk.
I'm gonna try it. It's so hot.
Oh, thank you.
It's very good. Very chai. It kind of tastes like the inside of a Lush store.
I'm gonna drink mine. Should I do with or without the straw? Oh, it's a paper straw. Amber. Thank God. Thank God.
Can I please try a sip of that? Can we switch and then
It's basically just a juice that's blended with ice. It's not like a smoothie. It's really good.
okay, let's switch and then taste each other. It's really hot. Be careful. Okay, don't burn yourself.
Yummy. I like it.
I like that. It tastes like celery juice and I like celery juice.
Ashley, what are your thoughts about the screening later?
What?
The screening.
Nervous. I'm just kidding. I don't know what's going on. Amber knows what's going on because she does TV production stuff at school, but I don't. I mean, I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
I'm nervous for the ones who cast though.
Yeah. I'm really excited for this because I'm undeclared in college right now, but I'm trying to get TV production as my major. So like to go to a private screening of this show is like really cool to me. And it's with Disney, which is huge. I think the screening is gonna be fun. We're just watching the show, but then there's a lunch with the cast after, and like that's crazy because they're actresses, actors. But I'm super excited to go to this whole Disney event because like my college is 10 minutes away from Disney. I always go to Disney. I'm just because
my friends are like literally always at
yeah, Ash and I both use Disney Plus, and like to see a show early, I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. The show we're previewing is called Diary of a Future President, by the way. So if this video is out by January 17th, you guys should watch it to see what we saw too.
We're watching the first 2 episodes.
We're watching the first 2 episodes today, and it's produced by Gina Rodriguez, which is the main actress of Jane the Virgin. So that's pretty spicy. So we're just gonna drink our beverages, and then we're gonna head over, and we'll see what happens there. Nice. We just got into ABC. They gave us our little security passes, and now we're heading up to the screening room. We're in the screening room. We got here a bit early. Alright, we just watched the first 2 episodes of the show. It's about this middle school girl who keeps a diary, and she's super driven and hardworking, and then she ends up being a president in the future.
And it just goes about like her just like regular life.
And I feel like it's pretty different from like normal Disney shows. Fun,
but different like family dynamics.
Yeah, it's actually really interesting. So now we're getting served lunch. It's all Latin American food. We're just chilling. So now we're just eating, and we're probably gonna just walk around New York City for a bit before we have to go home. I don't know what we're doing yet. Let's lit.
Anyone in New York want to hang out right now?
Yeah. Links. Now we're shopping at the malls in Columbus Circle. No, go touch it. No.
Amber, please,
No.
let's just run over
No.
and poke it and then run back.
I did it. I'm so scared. Oh my god. Check off the bucket list. Best part of today, hands down. This video just got so much better. This dude has a butt. I never saw the butt for some reason. It's awesome.
It's awesome.
Watch this.
Those people are like...
Stop putting the camera so close to me. Paparazzi, stop that. Thumbnail. Why do I look good right now? Goodbye, sir. I love you. Mwah. We're in our favorite store where we can't eat anything. Our baguette has the prettiest little pastries. We're just getting our mom and Andrew some snacks from here. The bag is secured. Goodbye, Paris. Baguette. Insert Kai.
There's a baguette. I want a baguette. Baguette.
Baguette. We're now getting some juices.
I got a shake with strawberry, banana, date, avocado, and coconut milk.
Nice. Oh, that's zoomed in. And then I got a juice with pineapple, apple, and cucumber. Ashley, what do you think about the city?
The what?
About the city.
In general?
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice, but I can only handle it for like a day.
You would never want to live here?
Nah.
I wouldn't either.
I would much rather move to California than move to New York City.
West Coast, best coast, baby.
It's still nice.
I think it's actually really nice that we live in upstate New York. Yeah. And then now that I've moved to California, I have like both cities very close to me. Yeah, but I definitely want to stay on the West Coast. Yo, that's actually good. Good. Can I try it? There's an ice in it. Yeah. It's pretty good. We just called our Lyft to pick us up. We're gonna head back to Penn Station because we're heading home for the day. But first we're going to Fresh & Co. to get Andrew his favorite chia seed pudding. Oh yeah, we're getting him chia pudding. Today's been really fun. I always love coming to the city just to like remember what it's like because it's so different here. The vibes are so different. Oh, I think our Lyft might be here. Yeah, okay, our Lyft is here, so peace. We're at Fresh & Co. food hall. So we're starting with a little chia pudding for Andrew. We're bringing it home because he really liked it last time. Andrew loves that, yeah. I got a little vegan rice pudding for myself. Never tried before, gonna give it a try. Yep. We got this veggie sandwich for the train ride. Yeah, I'm gonna eat that on the train. Amber might eat half, we'll see how much. Yep. Then we got these chips. These are my favorite chips to eat at college. Where do you get yours from? Jamba Juice on campus. Oh, when you have a Jamba Juice on your campus? Yeah, well, I have my cafeteria on my campus. Yeah, well, my dad has diabetes.
My dad has diabetes.
Let me try. Why the rice is so thick like that? People ask me that about myself often. Why is she so thick like that? Yeah, why is she so thick like that? She's like flan, actually. Like the flavor in it. Okay, bye. Bye. Whoa. Just got off the train and our mom's picking us up now. Hello, Mom! Hello!
Was it raining down in New York City?
That was nice out. Hey, we're back home. We got you snacks.
The favorite.
The favorite. Ah! Yeah, we went back just to get it for Andrew. Why are you wearing AirPods in the house?
Are you home? How was it?
Fun. Do you wish you went?
Yeah, I do wish I went because my math test was super hard.
Oh. There's paper on the bottom.
Too late.
Do not do that. Ew. Was the pudding as good as the last one? Really?
Yeah.
Squish it. No. Asthma.
Hashtag self-made.
Alright, I believe that's all for this video. I know this vlog was kind of short, but I just thought it would be fun to bring you guys around my day. I think it's so cool to see like TV stuff, like behind the scenes and everything, because I'm trying to hopefully study film and TV, that type of stuff. In college, I'm undeclared right now, so I'm trying to get into those majors. So it was super cool to like go to that kind of event, because it was kind of like my YouTube life and college life just like blending together into like one event. And I was like, oh, how spicy. It's all working out. Also, this video isn't sponsored in any way. I just thought it'd be fun to show you guys what I'm up to. But yeah, it was super cool to be a part of that and see the show privately before it actually airs. And it's always pretty fun to go down to the city too, just for any reason. Hi, Andrew. Come back, come back.
Get away!
Why is your bed so empty? What is wrong with you? Okay. Ow!
Stay right there.
Andrew, what's on your wall? Care to explain?
Take massive dopes! Watch this.
Yes, sir.
Fuck you, Fitch.
Yeah, that's not funny. No! Ow!
Please get out.
So anyways, so anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you soon. Peace.
Peace.
You're not very...
Can you have like bananas growing in the back of the
I have a baguette. I want a baguette.